Okay, here's the backyard. I had to dig this little path for Poe so she could get out. But this is the backyard. Here you can see there's the bird bath right there. And the snow is just up to the top of the fence there. So it's pretty crazy. So this is about as far as Poe's allowed to get, because once you get down here, there's nowhere else to go. But this is where she can at least go to the bathroom. There's the top of the house. Yeah, so let's go ahead and measure it. Let's see. All right, so if we go just out to like a place where I haven't tested it and just stick that in, that goes to 20 inches of snow right there for the drift. Crazy. Bye.